Tough jobs require tough equipment. Equipment that fires up on a cold January morning without hesitation and never chokes under the heat and humidity of a sweltering July afternoon. Equipment as tough and dependable as the people who run it. That's KPI-JCI and ASTEC mobile screens. The innovative crushing and screening technology in these products combines to provide the most profitable track-mounted systems available today. All with the toughness and reliability you've come to expect from KPI-JCI and ASTEC mobile screens. C.J. Moyna was founded in 1947 as a grading contractor. Over the years, the company has grown to include concrete and asphalt recycling. C.J. Moyna has a large fleet of portable and tracked equipment they use for jobs. When they won the bid on the I-35 recycle project, they knew they needed to find new tracked equipment with the production capacity allowing them to crush all of the material on site. The ability to crush recycled asphalt and concrete on site is a cost saver to the contractor. The practice is also environmentally friendly, and it boosts safety with fewer trucks on the road during the project. C.J. Moyna wanted a tracked processing system allowing the company to crush, screen, and windrow material as it simultaneously walked the grade along the highway. Crushing on the run.
We're out here with the 5260 Fast Tracks crusher and 6x20 track screen. And what we're doing, we're out here at Osceola, Iowa, south of Des Moines, doing a 10-mile stretch of interstate, I-35, doing a bunch of recycle. They come in, they take a milling machine, mill all about 3 inches of asphalt off the top of the concrete into the shoulder, make a windrow for us. We come in with the crusher and walk right down the main line. And then we got a 6-foot conveyor on that screener. We feed it with a backhoe, work towards the backhoe. We crush it up into 1.5-inch granular sub-base material. That's out of the concrete, the 8 to 12 inches of concrete busted up. We crush that, that goes on top of the surface. After that, they follow behind us. They level that off, finish the concrete, and then we go through and finish the shoulders, the rest of the C.J. Moyna crew. Feeding small material or big material, we average probably about 1,600 feet a day in an 8-hour period anyway. We would move this equipment anywhere from 20 to 40 seconds, depending on, like I say, the feed size. If we're feeding smaller material through and it's screening out really well, we're going to be moving faster, and it could be every 20 seconds we could be, moving the plant forward, keeping on coming down the main line, and or if we're feeding bigger material, it could take 40 seconds between moves. We are able to operate this 5260 track plant with anywhere from 2 to 4 people. If we're not in much dust and we're caught up on our rock tests, yes, 2 people can do this. 1 hole operator or loader, depending on what you're feeding the crusher with, and then 1 person can move the crusher and the screener in sequence at a time with these 2 remotes. Feeding small material that is less abrasive, we can get right up around 400 ton an hour with no problems. Otherwise, if we're feeding big material, anywhere from 150 to 400 ton an hour. 379 ton an hour, 387 was our best day so far. So I am very happy with the performance. Yes, this KPI 5260 impact crusher has been very good. It's been very good for us, well engineered, and it really does the job for us. We can load it on a trailer, move it somewhere, and be crushing that same day we get it off the trailer. It's very versatile, yes.
From the start, the KPI-JCI FT5260 track-mounted HSI crusher and the FT6203 track-mounted horizontal screen proved their worth under tight deadlines and unpredictable conditions. C.J. Moyna ultimately was able to complete its I-35 project on time and within budget. That's one tough customer.